Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you have a Star Wars fan in your life, I have the perfect gift for them. It's this 3D illusion light from Zanetta. This thing is amazing. So it comes with a base, which has built-in light inside, and then 4 acrylic plates. So these are interchangeable. There are 4 different designs. So there's Baby Yoda, also known as Grogu. There's the Mandalorian, there's R2-D2, and of course, there's the Death Star. So a really nice variety of different designs. It's very easy to use. It's just plug and go. You plug it in, you turn it on. It does come with a remote, which gives you all sorts of different options. So there's all kinds of changing colors. You can have it strobe or cycle through the colors. You can adjust the brightness. You can have it more dim, more bright, a huge variety of different options. I love all the different colors that you can choose from. So you can either match the decor in the room, or if it's at night, you're using it as a night light, you may want to use something like the red or something on the softer side to help them sleep. You can also set a timer. So if you only want it to be a night light for the first 2 hours of the night and then have it automatically turn off, that's an option as well. So really, really customizable for whatever your needs are. The acrylic plates can be put in either side. You can turn this around, so no matter which side you're looking at, it will still be very, very cool. I love all the details on here. All of the lines that go throughout it light up so beautifully. It's very cool and unique. It was packaged well as well. So it comes with a backing. You peel that off and you've got this beautiful clear acrylic ready to use. So if you're looking for something that's both functional, it's a light, so you can use this as a night light or just as decor. I'm sure you're gonna love this, or whatever Star Wars fan is in your house. May the Force be with you, and that's my point of view.